Hey guys, Bob here. As I installed a new set of TTI headers on my J body Chrysler Imperial, and it had the headers were the ceramic coated version. As you can see here, I put a rag over the pipe as I attached the wiring harness. It was easier to attach the wiring harness before I installed the starter. And you can see here the bolts are really easy to get to, real easy to get to, plenty of room. The mini starter helps with that. It's installed. None of the pipes are really wrapping around the starter. No heat seek. Uh, Clean, good, clean installation. Hope that helps you guys.